Today, I'm introducing a new generation of Petzl's ASAP and ASAP Lock mobile fall arresters, as well as ASAP Absorber energy absorbers. Also available are 6 ready-to-use pre-assembled kits with connectors. Both ASAP and ASAP Lock have undergone important improvements this generation, making them even lighter, more compact, and easier to use. The ASAP is now 35% lighter and 20% more compact than the previous model. The ASAP Lock is also more compact and 21% lighter than its predecessor. In addition, the lock button has been improved, making it easier to activate or deactivate when needed. Both devices are designed to automatically lock onto the rope in the event of a fall. Let's take a look at how they work. Installed on a primary or secondary rope, the ASAP and ASAP Lock connect to the harness's fall arrest attachment point using an ASAP Absorber energy absorber. These self-trailing devices follow the user up and down with no manual operations required. They can be used on vertical rope as well as on angled rope. In the event of a fall or uncontrolled descent, the device locks onto the rope when the wheel reaches a speed equivalent to 2 meters per second or greater. The ASAP Absorber energy absorber, using progressive tearing webbing, is engineered to reduce the impact force on both the user and the entire system. Now, let's take a look at the differences in application between the ASAP and ASAP Lock. The ASAP is ideal for single rope fall protection applications such as tower or ladder climbing, roofing, or swing stage work. The ASAP Lock is designed for rope access systems that use 2 ropes, a working line and a backup line. Its integrated locking function allows the user to immobilize the device in order to reduce potential fall distance, which is especially helpful in windy environments. The connection arm design also makes the system drop resistant when passing intermediate anchor points. Both devices perform reliably on wet and dirty ropes. Each system is compatible with one of 3 ASAP Absorber energy absorbers, each of which are also available in a pre-assembled kit. The ASAP Absorber 20 is designed for a single user of up to 310 pounds and features a shorter length to help minimize fall distance. The ASAP Absorber 40 is also rated for a single user of up to 310 pounds and provides a longer length for increased working range away from the lifeline. The AXESS Absorber AXESS is rated for a single user and tools weighing up to 310 pounds and for a 2-person load weighing up to 550 pounds. This higher load may be encountered during some rescue procedures. Using this system is straightforward. Install the device onto the rope according to the product instructions. Function test the device by pulling down sharply onto the lanyard. With the device now locked onto the rope, simply push the wheel against the rope and slide the device upwards to reset it. Then connect the energy absorber carabiner to the appropriate fall arrest attachment point on your harness. When in use, make certain that there is no slack in the rope between the anchor and the device to minimize fall distance and impact force should a fall occur. To simplify ordering, Petzl offers 6 pre-assembled ASAP and ASAP Lock kits. Each kit includes a mobile fall arrestor, an energy absorber, and the appropriate connectors. When ordered and used with the Petzl beam rope, these kits provide a ready-to-use vertical lifeline and mobile fall arrest system that complies with OSHA regulations and is certified to the most recent edition of the ANSI Z359.15 standard. In summary, the newest generation ASAP and ASAP Lock systems are lighter, more compact, and designed for efficient, reliable fall protection. With multiple energy absorber options and ready-to-use kits, Petzl makes it easy to build a compliant fall arrest system for a wide range of work at height applications.